Hello and welcome to Michelle Holden Art. I'm Michelle Holden and this is Beyond Mixed Media. This video is week 2 of the 100-day project, and I'm calling it 100 Days of Feeling or Connecting to My Art. And today I thought I'd show you a different perspective. This is my art journaling table. And this week is about how do you go about setting up, preparing, and staying at it, where 10-minute art sessions can have a big impact. So let's get started. So I'd like to just take you through, this is just the cover. This is I bought a second one because it only has 60, so my plan is to fill up both because some days, or use the two anyway, it is a 5.5 inch by 8.5 inch, 98 pound. The only thing, I love the size. I wish the paper was a little thicker, but I'm not worried about that now. So I've covered it with gesso. I'm making it, I'm getting there, I'm just so busy lately, and I'm really having fun with these. So some texture, gesso, scoring through, and I'm going to use probably stamps to put these in, or a stencil, and I'll show you in another video. So this was week 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So up to here, I'm keeping my notes up to date, and I do have a new self-reflection PDF. It's a 1-pager. If you want it, it's free. So just sign up, and I will send it to you, and it'll arrive in your inbox. And you will also be in the loop for a newsletter and new challenges coming up after or very close to the end of the 100-day project. So I'm loving this rectilinear sort of composition starting to happen, and I want to stick with it. So this was trying to replicate that little short that I have. It's okay. It's a little gray, but that's a learning process. These are the fine line applicators, and I love how thick the dots turn out. I'll just show you quickly up to today. This is 13. I'm loving that. Day 14, week 2, the last one. Really loving this and the shapes that are occurring. And I'm writing my notes. I might even keep an extra note as to which red I used, but this was just a collage piece. This needed more, but that's okay. I just wanted to leave it as it is. So I will write that down. This definitely needs more contrast. And I'm not going to worry. I may go back in. But for this 100-day project, it's supposed to be fast, 10 minutes, just to reconnect me on a daily basis. And that's the point. Not getting in here daily and creating every day, even it's a small amount. So small amounts of showing up can have big results. So that is 15. This was really energetic, and I added the yellow with the water-soluble. It was either Caran d'Ache or the pastels, water-soluble pastels. And this is going to be my inspiration for today. I'm loving this. This was collage on deli wrap, lots of scraping, and a combination of thick, opaque, and transparent layers. So let's get on with today's. This is day 18, so I wanted to write some notes before. So I wanted to keep going with the rectilinear compositions in blues and neutrals, feeling inspired and energized. And the note to myself was, this kind of composition, for me, comes so naturally. And I think I just love it because I've got other things that I want to take when I take it to large pieces, and that will come very soon. And images, writing. There's just so much you can do with this composition. So I think I'm going to stick with it for a while. So that is brought you up to date. So let's get on with today's. I'm going to time myself for 10 minutes,